Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to use the mini Bowdabra and the mini hair bow tool and ruler in order to make this adorable little hair bow. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is you lay the ruler over your mini Bowdabra, and we do sell this as a kit, or you can buy the ruler separate. And the ruler comes with a software where you get like over 70 different hair bows and how to make them, which is really great. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to lay it into my Bowdabra. I folded it in half, and I'm going to tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then what I'm going to do is take my grosgrain ribbon, and we're just going to do my little mountain here and go there here. And then let me make sure that I'm in the center here. I am. So now what I'm going to do is go out to 2.5 inches, or 2.5 inches, and I'm going to now do my mountain in the middle and just scrunch that in. So I'm at 2.5 inches right there, and I'm just going to take my tail and fold that down. Then I'm going to fold this back over, and I'm going to go 2.5 inches on this side and just do my little mountain in the middle, scrunch that down, make sure I'm at my 2.5 inches because I want it to be exactly the right size. Then what I'm going to do is take these little black cat ribbon, and we're just going to scrunch this down in the center, and take this piece and scrunch this down in the center. And now by doing this with the little mountain in the middle, it makes it so you don't have to hot glue or sew. So now I'm just going to scrunch that all down, take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull this through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, bring it out. I'm going to separate the ends and separate the ends and bring it around to the back and tie a knot. And I'll tie another knot. And then what I'm going to do is take my ponytail holder, and we're just going to tie this on here. So we'll tie it tightly onto the bow. So for those of you not familiar with Bowdabra, we have a YouTube channel where we have over 950 different videos. If you go to bowdabra.com, we have tutorials for over 1,000, literally a couple thousand videos there. And let's just double knot this just to be safe. And there's all kinds of instruction for virtually any bow that you can think of. And the hair bow tool, like I said, comes with an interactive software that will allow you to make 70 different hair bows. So from little baby bows to bigger bows. So now I'm just going to take my Zot, or my glue dot, and I'm going to take this here and bring this around. So now you might want to use a glue gun for this because it's going to be a little bit stronger and hold a little better, but just for the video I'm using a Zot. And I'm going to just now bring my hair bow down, bring this here, separate the ends there. And now you have this adorable little hair bow that was super simple to make. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.